Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. Today we will see how to handle alerts, pop-up or any prompts through Selenium program. So let's get started. Here I have written HTML code, and if you can see the output, so we have this output. So as of now it will not do anything since we have not written any main function. So if you can see here in this HTML, we have here one button, and on click of button I am calling here my function. So now suppose in this my function I have written one alert, and here I am saying this is alert, save it, and then if I will go and refresh this page and click on try it, now you can see I am getting this pop-up, right? This is one alert. So in Selenium, if you will see something this kind of thing, then how you will handle it. So for that, let's write Selenium code and then we'll see it. So for that, I have already created Java file, and here we have to add system path for the driver, and then here we have to write driver.get, and then you can pass here the URL. So it could be any real website, or if I or what I can do, I can copy this complete URL here, paste it. So don't confuse with this one, this is the complete file name, and then here we have the extension. So now if I will run it, then I should get the file. So let's see. Yes, it is coming. Now we need to click on try it, and for that I'll right click it, go to inspect element, and then I will again click here, and this is the button, right? So I need to click here, so I will right click it, and then I can select CSS selector or XPath, right? So let's say copy selector, and then I will go here and write driver dot get element dot find element by dot CSS selector, and here I'll pass the selector that we copied, and then I'll say dot click. So we need to click on that one, and if I'll see now, let's see the output. So pop-up is coming here. Now we need to handle this pop-up. So for that, what we will do, we'll use here alert class. So we have driver dot switch to dot alert, and this alert is basically returning alert class. So if you want, you can directly use this method, and then here you can say dot accept. So if you will see any UI or any pop-up where you have only one button, that is accept button, OK button. So in that case you can write accept, and then it will be closed. So if I will run now, you will see the pop-up is now closed. And if you want to get the text from that, then before clicking on accept, you can extract that text too. So for that, instead of writing 2 times, I'll just create one variable from here, one object. So I'll say alert equal to this one, and then I will import this alert here, right? So now I do one sys out, and then I will say alert dot get text, and after that I'll say alert dot accept. So whatever text will be visible in that pop-up, it will be printed in this console. So now you can see we have this message, this is alert, which is basically printing. Now next thing is, so this is how we handle normal alert if we have. Next thing is we have also the other thing that is called confirm. So we can have confirm box. So I can write here confirm, and here I can say something like are you sure, and I'll say some message here and then close it. Now if I can save it and then go to the real website and then try to click on it. Okay, so we have to refresh it, click it. Now you can see we are getting here are you sure, or are you want to close it. If I say yes or no, something like this kind of. If you have yes and no, then in that case how we can handle it. So for that, instead of writing except, here what we can do, except will still work. Except will be for okay, right? And then we have another thing that is dismiss. So suppose if I'll keep the everything same and then try to run it, it will click on OK button. Yes, it is closed, OK button, and then you can see here we are getting the message. But instead of clicking accept, I want to click on the other one, cancel, right? In that case I have to write alert.dismiss. So we have dismiss method, it will click on the other button that we have available. So it clicking on the cancel button. Still everything is same, just it will cancel that one. So we have two methods here, accept and dismiss. Now sometimes also you will see that we have one more thing that is also kind of alert, but actually it's called as prompt. So we have prompt, prompt, and here I can say, let's say enter your name, something like that. I just want to give the message, and then prompt is basically, let's say if I will save here and then go to the website, refresh it, and then if I will click, so it will ask you to enter something. So if you will enter and click OK, then that data will be captured here. So let's store that one to some variable. I can say var name equal to this and then print that name. So I'll say document dot write, and here I'll say name. Okay, I just wanted to print that name. So if I will refresh it and then try to run it, and then I'll say Chandan and click OK. So it should document, okay, document dot write. Let's refresh again and then click OK. You can see it is printing the name. If I want to do the same thing here in Selenium, then instead of directly clicking accept and dismiss, what we need to do is we need to send some value from here. So for that we can use alert.sendKeys, and from here I can say Chandan Kumar, and then this thing will automatically send data to that one, and after that you have to click on alert.accept. So let's try and see. Yes, now you can see I am getting the data Chandan Kumar. So I hope you are able to get it, how we can use alert in Selenium to handle basically alert, pop-up, or any prompt that will needed in our day-to-day Selenium program. Thank you so much for watching the video.